9:30. Slept in a bit this morning. Just the morning routine before cardio. So apple cider vinegar, a little bit of that, warm water, a little bit of that, lemon. This isn't nice at all, but it's needed. Get the digestion kick started. It also starts the fat burning process too. Black coffee. Go in boil 10 milligrams in the morning. 60 micrograms. So half an hour fasted cardio today. Every day. Today's rest day, so I'm going to take you through my food on a rest day and what I get up to on a rest day. I'm actually going up to Roach's injury clinic today for a deep tissue massage, the boots and the cryotherapy chamber. So that'll be good. I'm going to start going up there every week then for recovery. Shout out to Peaky Blinders and Jordan. Shout out to the dog. Come here. You don't like this heat. Come here. Sit. He's a good boy. So we're getting ready to go on my half an hour cardio, fasted cardio with the dog. Your lead is in the water. Pick it up. The dog likes to walk more than me. So we go for about half an hour cardio every day here. Sometimes we walk this way all around by the top of the cliffs, and sometimes we go down there by the lovely beach, down the caravan park. This is the lookout point. This is the Supps. It's nice down there, isn't it? Lovely day. Lovely day. So we're out here having our walks. The pups and the sis. Are you happy I got you out of bed? Yeah? Yeah, that's good. Nice little beaches, isn't it? Welcome to Costa del Bon Man. Costa del Bon Man. Could live in worse places now, to be honest. Trying to cover up the tracks. Yeah, so that's the fasted cardio walk most mornings. Down from the bottom up the hill all the way along the cliffs, turn around and go back. By the time I get back to the car, it's usually about 30 minutes, 28 minutes. So meal one ready to go. I have 6 grams low salt and 6 grams of pink Himalayan salt. So 12 grams salt total to spread across 6 meals in the day. So this is meal one, 3 whole eggs, 80 grams of oats, 100 grams of blueberries, and 20 grams of wheat. Here, Roach's injury clinic. So after the cryo boots, just went through half an hour deep tissue massage, the traps, lower back, the tendons here. Just done half an hour on the compression boots as well. For legs, now I'm doing 3 minutes in 4 degrees. Cryo wood, if I can get anything. There we go. have meal number 2 going down. 180 grams of fillet steak and peppers. And we have chicken breast, 200 grams going down for the next meal. I thought I'd bring my rest day to the beach today. Unfortunately, the potatoes aren't for me because I'm on less than 100 grams of carbs today. Cool. Okay, so we have meal number 3 going down. Spent about 2 hours down the beach. Cooked up a meal down there. I had fillet steak and peppers down there. Now I have 150 grams of chicken and 200 grams of baby potatoes and peas. I'm on less than 100 grams of carbs today, so rest day calories are 700 less. So I have 2,200 calories today. Yeah, meal 3 going down now. Can't forget the Club Zero Rock Shandy diet hacks. Okay, so I have meal 4 here. 150 grams chicken, spinach, and of course Club Zero Rock Shandy for the win. Okay, so I have meal 6 here. I ate meal 5 about half an hour ago because I was so hungry I just couldn't film it. 200 grams of salmon and 40 grams of avocado. This is meal 6, so this is the last one before bed. It's 250 grams of phage, 40 grams of whey, and 35 grams of almond butter. So I'm going to eat that. I'm going to take Support Max, curcumin, Support Max for the organs, magnesium before bed, milk thistle for the liver, and apple cider vinegar in the night before bed with 2,000 milligrams of vitamin C. And I have 5-HTP and melatonin on the way as well to help with sleep. So yeah, that's a wrap. I'm going to eat this now and go to sleep after taking all them. Leg day tomorrow. So yeah, that's 2,200 calories on a rest day, 10 weeks out.